Hello children, welcome back. Today, let's start new topic, that is conversion of rupees into paise from the new exercise 11.2 of the chapter Money. Children, before starting this exercise, we need to keep few points in our mind. Point number 1. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Point number 2. To convert rupees into paise, we need to multiply the amount in rupees by 100. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Suppose we have to convert 7 rupees into paise. So, we will simply multiply the amount in rupees, that is 7 by 100. So here, the answer we get after multiplying is 700 paise. Point number 3. To convert rupees and paise into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100 to convert it into paise and then add to it the number of paise. Suppose we have to express 8 rupees and paise 28 into paise. So here we will write the given number first, that is 8 rupees and paise 28, then equal to, and then 8 multiplied by 100 plus 28. So after solving, the answer we get here is 828 paise. Now let's move to point number 4. So point number 4 says, when money is written in figure and we have to convert it into paise, we remove the rupee symbol and the decimal point. Suppose a question is given to you. Convert 56 rupees and 75 paise into paise. So here we'll simply remove the rupee symbol and decimal point. So the answer we get here is 5675 paise. Now, by keeping these points in our mind, let's start the new exercise, that is exercise 11.2. So, the first question is convert into paise. Let's solve number B, that is 6 rupees 15 paise. So here 6 will be multiplied by 100 and 15 will be added. Why? Because we have just now studied that to convert rupees and paise into paise, we have to multiply the number of rupees by 100 to convert it into paise and then add to it the number of paise. So here, since number of rupees is 6, so it will be multiplied by 100 to convert it into paise and then 15 is added to it. So the answer we get here is 615 paise. Similarly, let's solve number E, that is 70 rupees. Here we will simply multiply 70 by 100 and then the answer we get here is 7000 paise. Now let's proceed to question number 2. Let's see what is given. Convert into paise. So children, this question is same as the previous one, but the only difference is that the number given here is in figure. So what we will do here, to convert it into paise, we will remove the rupee symbol and the decimal point and then write the remaining number as the answer. So after converting 65 rupees and 75 paise into paise, we get 6575 paise. In the same way, let us solve number H, that is rupees 20 and 00 paise. So here also we will remove rupee symbol and decimal point and then we will write the remaining number, that is 2000 as the answer, that is 2000 paise. So children, I hope this topic is clear to you. Now let's practice few more sums from the book.